In front of me is the LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluids Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up and hit consent. Now to manage all of those wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and check out all of them. You can even hit presets, pick one of those, like this one, and hit yes to try something else. Whatever you decided after adjusting your wallpaper, to set it up, click at the bottom right corner over here and choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!